I know you must be wondering why it's not advisable to use tires to flame your meat after slaughter. It's just because flaming your meat with tires will release some kind of harmful and carcinogenic chemicals and heavy metals into the meat and definitely into the environment, and it is bad for human consumption. I'm going to give you some health risk disadvantage why you should never use tires. Number one, there is risk of cancer. Tires contain polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, dioxins, benzene derivatives, and all this is toxic and can cause cancer when accumulated in the fatty tissues of humans. So therefore, with over time, after when you are consuming this meat over time, there will be high risk of cancer. It can also cause different kind of cancer, maybe lung cancer, skin cancer, and different any kind of cancer. So it's not advisable to use tires to flame your meat. The second reason why you should not flame your meat with tires is because of the risk of heavy metal poisoning. Tires contain heavy metals like zinc, cadmium, lead, chromium, nickel, arsenic, and zinc. These metals are found in high concentration above the maximum permissible levels set by World Health Organization. When you eat this kind of meat, there will be risk of organ damage, developmental abnormalities in children. So to be forewarned is to be forearmed. Do not use tires. Another reason why you should not use tire to flame your meat is because of the risk of respiratory illnesses. The thick black smokes that comes from these tires contain harmful gas like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitric oxide, and all these are harmful to the lungs. Inhalation of these gases, of this smoke, will cause irritation of the respiratory system, can cause asthma, can cause bronchitis. Most people that are at risk are people working in the abattoirs or those people that are trying to flame their meat using these tires. They are the people at risk of this respiratory infection. Also, is the smoke can contaminate the environment. So people from afar, the smoke can travel far and affect the health of other innocent people. There is also neurologic and reproductive harm. Exposure to some chemicals like lead, mercury will predispose people to neurologic defects or neurologic abnormalities. They can cause memory loss, loss of concentration. The person will not be able to concentrate. Dioxins, which is also found in tires, can lead to reproductive defects and abnormalities or anomalies. Another harmful effect is the food chain contamination. So these ashes or the byproduct of the burnt tires can seep into the soil or other water sources and will cause contamination to the ecosystem. You know, can cause contamination to the plants, can cause contamination to the water. Animals or humans can drink from that water and become contaminated, and all these bad effects will start happening to them. Although it might not happen instant, it might just take gradual process before the person will come down with all these things that I'm telling you about. So the best method, the best way to flame your animals is by using blowtorch to flame the animal. Here there's no risk of harmful contaminants. I know you've learned one or two things from this message. The link to all my socials is in my bio. You can click it, like, subscribe, follow me for more content like this. See you in my next video.